Good morning, Meridian, and welcome to Business Buzz. Joining me today on Business Buzz is Jessie Reed with PayneWest Insurance. PayneWest is one of the largest independent agents in the United States, and they recently merged with Marsh and McClellan to give even more resources when it comes to risk management, helping people with their personal insurance, business insurance, and group benefits is their primary goal. Welcome to Business Buzz, Jessie. How are you doing today?
Yes, thank you for having me. Doing great.
Yeah. Jessie, how long have you been in the insurance business and what do you do with PayneWest Insurance?
Well, I've been an agent for 24 years, and what I do is my focus is on personal insurance needs, which is basically individuals' insurance needs. I help people with their homeowners, auto, if they have any investment properties, any recreational vehicles, life insurance, and also renter's insurance.
Okay. Renter's insurance. That's definitely something that I've dealt with recently with my youngest daughter. She's out of the house and attending Boise State. She was asking, why do I have to have this? What are the needs of this? You and I were talking a little bit earlier. Can you maybe expand on the renter's insurance and maybe some of the challenges that people face today or the understanding of why they need that insurance?
Yes, absolutely. Well, we're writing more renters insurance than we ever have because of the rising cost of home values. A lot of people can't afford to buy homes, particularly in Ada County, and or if you're a younger person, they're college, younger family. So renters insurance generally runs between $10 and $20 a month. So it's very inexpensive. And not only does it cover your personal property, things that you own, your appliances, electronics, furniture, clothing, but it also covers your personal liability, which is a really important part of the policy. We've had a claim where a renter was cooking on the stove and forgot about it and ended up smoking up the entire unit and caused damage, smoke damage. And his policy actually paid for the restoration costs of that claim. So that was really unique and very important.
Jessie, what makes you and PayneWest different from other options when it comes to insurance?
Well, we're an independent agent, and that means we work for our clients, not for the companies. And we represent a lot of different companies. So we're not a direct writer where we only have one channel. We write with many top-rated carriers. They all have A-plus ratings based on their financial stability and their claim service. So we actually shop for our clients, not only trying to find them the best value pricing, but also tailoring a plan to meet their specific needs.
Okay. Jessie, you talked about renters insurance a little bit. What are some of the other challenges in the market for people and their insurance needs today when it comes to maybe understanding meeting all of their needs?
Well, I think a lot of companies undersell the complexity of insurance. They're basically selling on price only. And that can leave a lot of coverage gaps. And our goal is to make sure you get a check in the right amount. So we're doing the upfront underwriting and asking the questions, do you have firearm collection? Does the missus have a lot of jewelry? These are things we need to know so we can build a policy that's going to respond accurately.
Jessie, one of the things that I lay awake at night and think about is the increased home value that I have seen in my home, and am I adequately covered? What are you seeing? I mean, the rapid rise in home values. I don't know if my insurance will fully cover a replacement.
That's a good question, and a question we're getting almost on a daily basis. Within the past year, we're seeing lumber costs up 50%. Not only lumber costs are up, but there's a lot of pandemic-driven building shortages. And so there's a lot of homes that are way underinsured, particularly if you have an older policy. Back in the day, we used to be able to insure a home for about $100 a square foot. Fast forward to today, you're looking anywhere from $200 to $250 in most areas. So when we quote a policy, we actually run a replacement cost estimate. We're plugging in all of the features of the home, not just the square footage, but their garage and whether it's a designer home, custom home. So we're definitely trying to get those figures right out of the door so you have sufficient coverage. And not only that, but many of our companies offer extended replacement cost, which is even more important today. And some of our companies offer a 50% extended and some even 100% extended. So on those 100% extended, if you've got a $400,000 dwelling insured, you're going to have another $400,000 on top of that for a total of $800,000. So it's really important to make sure we're adding those right endorsements and making sure you're insured adequately.
So it does sound like what you opened with, that you work for the client, not necessarily for the agency, is a really good thing.
It is, yes. We're an advocate for our clients.
Yeah. Jessie, what are the core values at PayneWest that you can share with us?
Well, respect, accountability, excellence, integrity, and the newest one that we added since COVID is humanity. It is at the heart of what we do.
Okay. Jessie, how can one of our business members, viewers of today's Business Buzz, find you and get in touch with you if they're interested in talking with you about insurance?
Well, that would be great. So our office is actually located off of Broadway in Boise, right across from BSU Stadium in the University Plaza. I do have an office there. As you can see, I'm working from home today, as many other people are since the pandemic. But the best way is you could Google PayneWest Insurance and find Jessie Reed, or you can give me a call. My direct line is 208-570-3837.
Yeah, Jessie, thank you. And of course, you being a member of the Meridian Chamber of Commerce, people can go to the Meridian Chamber member directory and find your information there as well. So Jessie, thank you for joining us today. We really enjoyed talking with you about insurance needs and some of the concerns that people may have and meeting all of those needs that they have.
Yes, well, thank you. I appreciate joining this format.
All right. Thank you, Jessie. We have a slight schedule change this week for our next Business Buzz program. Joining me tomorrow instead of Thursday morning will be Susan Beard with the Center for Professional Development with Northwest Nazarene University. Until tomorrow morning, thank you all, and keep Meridian healthy and open for business.